incentive salience is a big concept today. It is actually an analysis of what is called craving, want, and why we have irrational wants, which will lead us nowhere. Still we have it, isn't it true? See the relevance of all this in your own life. ये कोई theory नहीं मैं जो बोल रही हूँ. It is everyday life you are facing it. What is the cause for irrational wanting? See, let me explain this phenomenon of incentive salience because it is important for you. This is all modern psychology. देखिए salient का मतलब क्या है? आप बोल सकते हो what is salient feature of something. Now, what is the salient feature of Delhi? That it is the capital of India. Salience means what sets something apart from everything else. The characteristic feature of something is its salient feature. है ना? So, now saliency detection, it is actually a key attentional mechanism and a learning process today, by which what do? You see, it helps you focus your limited cognitive and perceptual capacities on a subset of available sensory data. It helps you focus. When you are able to remove the salient feature of something, it helps you learn that thing better, isn't it? So, it is a key learning mechanism. Now, in this incentive salience, what is happening is, it is a strange mechanism of our mind. It is a cognitive process actually, which makes you want something more and more whether you like it or not. And usually the want motivates you towards an already rewarding object. I will give you examples to help you understand this. It is an analysis of craving, as I told you. Usually what are the things which you crave for, which you want? Things which have given you happiness in the past, isn't it? Something you enjoyed in the past, that your mind will start craving for another experience of it. But this incentive salience is such a irrational desire, it creates such an irrational desire, whether you have experienced joy or not, whether it is good for you or not, whether you like it or not, a kind of restless acquisition remains in your mind, wanting it, craving for it without any experience of it. This is called incentive salience. It is actually due to the neurotransmitter dopamine. That is supposed to be the psychology behind it. Even without an experience, just due to dopamine release, you can suffer incentive salience, and it is a totally irrational process. You see, technically it is defined as cue triggered decision utility is greater than remembered utility, which means what? Cue triggered. You may find a few cues that triggers a decision to acquire something beyond what your memory directs you to get. So, it is just an irrational craving which you can't get rid of sometimes. होता है ना है? ये होता है ना कभी कभी? Let me give you an example. Maybe you are passing through your IIT bakery shop. I don't know if you have a bakery shop here. Or fruit juice stall is there. So, if you are passing through that during lunch time, you already had your lunch, but there will be a craving to experience something more. You are studying something, you went to a web page, advertisements popped up. Naturally, your finger will go towards, let me see what this product is about. Incentive salience. There is this strange situation when you can want something more and more while even liking it less and less. This is a kind of aberration of the human mind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.